How's it everyone? Welcome back. Let's spray paint and get the jog back together. So we went with a purple and a white pearlescent color. Here you can see the flip in the paint. Looks amazing. Let's assemble. I've realized the lights and the speedometer and everything stuff was really faded, so I started sanding down everything with 3000 grit sanding paper and polishing the lights up. It really came out amazing. And here she is, all assembled. I just need to make an engine cover and check if I can find reflectors. But the paint job, really job well done. Looks amazing. And yeah, proper sticker kit, and then she will be done. Yes, just look at this flip. But thanks for watching guys. Please like and subscribe. Cheers!